Watch your best. I will show you how to make this. Please donate in first. And this, click this Roblox and click this your business in that. Next, go in that and passes. Go in the passes like that. Passes. And go create a pass. And